So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general 7 days, seven tarot slash Osho Zen tarot messages for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 24th till the 30th of August 2026. Keep in mind, this is general, this might or might not resonate. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Libra, the overall energy for Libra people for this week. We have the Eight of Cups, emotional detachment, walking away from certain people, situations, or things, and or you are going to feel quite emotionally disconnected from something or someone, and you are just detaching, you are just trying to walk away, or you are just trying to take your own space and own time in a particular situation. But there is some kind of emotional detachment or emotionally distant kind of energies for you guys for the week. Okay, the underlying energy for the week for Libra people is walking away and emotionally walking away and detachment. Let's see the per day messages. Let me give it a good shuffle. Okay, so we have 24th, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Things are going to be little bit stable, little bit delayed or little bit stuck on this particular day. But I don't see you losing your patience or losing your mind. In fact, you are going to feel like the more universe is trying to teach you patience, the more you are getting fit into this definition of being patient, okay, about certain things, about certain situations in your life. Okay, let's see from Osho's and Tarot the guidance for this day for you guys. We have the friendliness. Okay, you can go out and have fun with your friends, or you can connect with maybe an opposite sex person that like you guys are, that is a true friend to you without any kind of that kind of involvement or physical kind of involvement. So you can connect with people outside your comfort zone, and you can just bring some kind of emotional happiness in your life so that you are not going to feel like everything is stuck and nothing is moving forward. I don't know what's happening suddenly, like it's like a lot of smoke coming in. Okay. So bringing a lot of emotional happiness in this day is going to make you feel happy, make you feel more brighter and positive towards life. 25th, we have the Ace of Wands. You guys are going to feel quite enthusiastic, quite passionate about something or someone. You guys will be having this energy of starting or restarting something. For some of you, your sex life is going to improve a lot. If you are planning to conceive or planning to have this kid kind of energy in your life, there are good chances of that too. If not, beware of those kind of energies, use precautions and whatever you can from your side. There is passion, there is desire, and there is a lot of energy towards something or someone, and then there is a brand new beginning, okay, to start or restart something. For this day, the guidance is the success. Okay, you guys are going to get success in some area of your life. Please be grounded, be humble, be in this energy of this is not like this success is something that only you deserve or nobody else deserve this kind of success on this planet earth. Whatever success or victory it is, even if it is on a smaller scale or the larger scale, if you are not going to remain grounded and humble about this success, it might not stay here. You should understand one thing, Libra, that nothing on this planet Earth is permanent, including this success or victory of yours. So, remaining grounded and humble about your success, about your victory, is going to give you a lot of good results as a person, as a soul. Okay. 24, 25, 26, we have the star card. Lot of healing, lot of positivity, optimistic, positive. Um, I think you are going to do something about your healing. Like you are going to consciously choose this energy of, okay, let me heal something. Maybe let me talk to something, or let me look into a matter that I'm avoiding from quite a long time now. So there is going to be a lot of healing on this particular day, whether you are going to like connect with somebody, communicate with somebody, or you are going to go like inside of you only. It's like optimism coming back in your life in some situation of your life. For this, the guidance here is the possibilities. See, there are so many ways that you can reach to a goal. There are so many possibilities that you right now might not be able to see, but you will eventually be able to figure out a lot of things in your life. Right now, your energies are little down. It doesn't mean that your life is down or your whole life is going to be like this only, right? There are possibilities, there are chances, and there are energies coming in your life that is going to give you the opportunity to heal and be positive and happy again. The main message and the guidance today are not making very much sense to me. Hope they are making sense to you, because a lot of time when I do the readings, they don't make any sense to me, and the audience is like, oh my god, this is the best reading they got. So okay, enjoy. 24, 25, 26, 27th, we have the Hierophant. So you will be planning to, like attend a spiritual ceremony or religious ceremony, or you might be planning to go meet a father figure kind of a person, or a spiritual person, or a healer, or a guru or mentor. So you might be feeling like now you should connect with somebody who can guide you in some way, a spiritual person, a very mature and grounded kind of a person, maybe a religious person in your case. But you will be in this energy of seeking some kind of blessings from someone who means a lot to you. Now, on this day, the guidance here is comparison. Comparison is foolishness, Libra. If you are going to compare an oak tree with a bamboo tree, and then you are going to be always sad in your life. Your competition should be with you only, right? Even if you are twins coming out of the same womb, you cannot have the same life. You cannot have the same kind of energies. So comparison is foolishness. Trying to become something else, trying to become someone else is foolishness. You should be better than yourself. With each passing day, your energy should shift towards more and more happiness, more and more positivity. If you want to compare something with you, like with someone, do it with yourself. Two people have two different personality. Everyone is unique. Nobody is equal. Everyone is unique. Okay, so you have to be proud of your uniqueness instead of being sad about the comparison that you might be doing with some other people around you. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, we have the Ace of Pentacles. You guys will be starting something, might be a business or job or career, or some kind of savings or investment plans that has the potential to become something really big in the future, or at least you have this energy of wanting to make it big in the coming future. So there is this energy of having a brand new beginning in some way, starting something in a very, very grounded way, and having the plan of making it big in the coming future. The guidance for this day is understanding. It's just your perception, it's just your mind telling you that you cannot go out and fly like other people are doing. It's just your mind playing tricks on you. You are also free. You can also fly high. You can also achieve your dreams. You can also do whatever other person can do, right? Obviously not in a competitive way, in your unique and creative way. So this is just your perception, this is just your mind playing tricks on you, that you cannot do something or achieve something. You have to understand that you can also achieve whatever you want in your life. Okay, so for 29th, we have the Four of Pentacles. You will be holding on to something very, very tightly, like might be financial things, or you are going to be tight on your budget, so you will be planning to spend your money in a very, very scheduled way. Not scheduled, like in a prop. I'm not getting the exact word here. You got my point here. You will be holding on to something or someone very, very tightly, not letting it go, because it's very, very important for you. And for most of you, it's related to your money thing, financial thing. The guidance here is the burden. First of all, for this day, don't take the burden of other people on your shoulders. You are not responsible for other people's happiness. You are not responsible for other people's healing. You are not responsible for making anybody feel better, right? So if you are already struggling with your own struggles, try not to add more struggle or more burden in your energies. Just heal yourself first. Be happy, be at peace from within yourself first, and then only move forward. Then only extend your light-hearted energy or your beautiful or positive energies to others. 30th, we have the Nine of Pentacles. You guys are going to feel quite independent, quite free. For some of you, some kind of financial gains are coming, some kind of financial stability is coming. That's going to make you feel very happy, and That's going to make you feel like finally you are on the right track and doing the right thing the way you always wanted to do it. And there is going to be certain kind of like financial gains or financial energies improving on this particular day. The guidance for this day is healing. The moment you are going to feel like okay, you should open up and start your healing process, everything in your life will start coming together. Everything in your life will start getting healed, will start getting good results, positive results. It's a good week for you guys, Libra. Enjoy, make good use of this week. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Libra. Today is 23rd. 30th we have Sunday. Okay. Let's see for this day the guidance for you guys. We have the Hanged Man. Okay, the things that you cannot do anything about or change or fix, Libra, let them be. Letting things be is a good idea when you cannot do anything about a situation from your side. While you are just letting things be, try to see things from a different perspective, from a different angle, and try not to force something or someone to be here or to be in a certain kind of outcome the way you want it, certain kind of energy the way you want it. If it's not happening, just let it be and surrender to the divine. Let's see the final message as guidance for you guys from Osho Zen Tarot. We have the adventure. If you are going on some kind of adventure, like whether it's a literal adventure or you are planning to start something new, do something new in your life, do it with a childlike energy, with childlike wonder. Do not use your mind too much. Just go ahead with your heart, listen to your heart, and be open to the idea of opening up to life in a beautiful and positive way. So that is going to be much better for you guys, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.